Hi guys, I'm Nick Suvai. Thank you for watching this video, and today is day 3 of my 50k challenge. So I did some trades in the morning session, in the UK session, and I am currently on negative $60 or something like that. So yeah, $68 to be that even on my 50k account, so great. I did good trades. I did this bad trade, which is unfortunate, but that's how the life is. And I'm really looking forward on today. Not sure. We have 1 minute to start trading. I'm not sure what to do. I don't want to trade US 30 because US 30 is moving in this trend lines. I don't like it, so I'm not sure if I don't feel like US 30. I believe I will go for a Nasdaq because Nasdaq is pushing. Okay, we have this previous high and we have this today's high, and I believe that we will go up, baby. I believe that today we will break it and we will be cooking like never. But let's wait. We have okay. We are breaking out. Is it false breakout or not? That's really like extreme. I think let's go in. There's no time to wait, honestly. We have break the previous high, so I'm not sure. This was quite nice, and I don't know. Okay, that's too much pressure. Let's have a deep breath. Okay. Second minute to market. We have rised up. Now we're pulling back. I need to have a deep breath. Okay. Okay, confirmation candle. I'm going in. And I'm already quite a lot of down. Okay, that's $400. That's not the best trade I did today. $300 negative. Let's see if I believe. No, I don't feel it. Guys, this is bad. I have been rigged. This is all my mistakes. I have been under oh no. Yep. This is how dreams die. Minus 400 like this because I am an idiot. Guys, this was goddamn bad. It's not about the false breakout, guys. It's about me being impatient. Oh my god, I did such a stupid mistake. Everything I've been building today, I have destroyed in 1 minute candle. Okay? Look at this. I am an idiot. Oh my god, this is so painful. I have felt for the oldest trick, guys. No. Oh my god, this is painful. Really painful. Such a fake breakout, and I have fall for it. Oh my god. I would slap myself today, honestly. Okay. Yeah. Second entry coming. Yeah, that's everything I said previously. I have right now dumped to the shit because I said, okay, you shouldn't be entering the trades right after the session opens because there's a lot of volume going in and out. Okay, I will go lower. I wanted to go a lot today. Let's go one more time. How much? $200. Also a lot. Where is my take profit? Nowhere. We will need more than that. We will need a lot of help today. Confirm that. I believe we will be cooking today, but oh my god, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this type of mistakes? Bros. I'm out of that. No, my mistake today. My mistake. Everything you see today is how you shouldn't be trading, because this is nonsense from my point of view. I'm doing a lot of stupidities today, so let's do $100. Let's wait. Let's wait. Few more. There's a lot of volume going in. We won't make. Okay, one more time for the better days. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot with that first trade. Always like that. It's always like that. I always do the first damn mistake. Don't tell me I will do second. Don't tell me I will do second. Let's go, baby. Let's start pushing up. We need to push this. Bro. Is this the day when we will be cooking? If yes, I have already... I'm an idiot, bros. I'm an idiot. Idiot today. The dump ass award goes to me today, and I don't feel like I should be trading, because this was totally goddamn idiotism. Okay, look at this. Look my entries, all of them. No. Oh my god. Okay, I deserve everything that happens today. Everything, okay. That I deserve this. I deserved every goddamn loss I deserve. How much? $460. Close position was negative 300. So yeah, if we will cook this, I will be in profit, but I have messed up, guys. I have messed up so badly. Come on, push it, baby. Push it. Or I will just fucking close with profit and go away on this. So painful trading today. I was doing so great during the morning session. Oh my god, I can't believe I have really destroyed myself like this in this inappropriate way. Bros. Nah, bro, please don't. I am really destroying myself. I am a self-destructive person. I don't understand why am I doing this. Okay. I will take this. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I hate myself so much. Bro. I know that there is a volume sweep. I know that. Why did I press that button? Disgusting myself. Okay. I really am. I'm talking about this whole time that I'm waiting for that easy trade. I'm waiting for that. And when it came, I destroyed myself. My god, oh my god. Minus 260 is like I did nothing the whole day, bro. I was so doing great. I was doing so great today. And I have destroyed it with this. Oh my god. Okay. Let's fix this. Okay? Let's fix this. I missed the opportunity. I'm talking about 2 days. I have missed it. Okay, this was it. What are we talking about? What? Beautiful cooking. And I was in a different kitchen. I'm disgusted from myself. The worst part is that I was like $10 to get out of the to be on my debt even. I was like, okay, all I need is $10, and then I did one bad trade for $60. I was like, okay, I am able to fix this because it's not a big deal to do one $50 trade, okay? And I was like, okay, I need to start use more lots because I need to do a bigger trade because I need to earn more money. And right now I just look like a goddamn idiot because look at this. There are news at 4. So whatever I do, I need to be out of the trading before the 4 p.m. Okay? Here. Okay? We have this free. So now at 4 p.m. there are the news. Okay. Damn it! I missed the perfect opportunity. Oh my god. So painful. So painful. Bro. US 30. Now US 30 is moving in the zone, nothing to trade here, so my only chance is still the Nasdaq. Okay, so I can go still in to go somewhere like here. But it doesn't look like we want to reverse. We want to keep on pushing. Okay. Such a beautiful trade, damn it, and I missed it. I'm really hate myself for that. Really, the self-hate is so brutal in this. Okay, how does it look like on 1 minute scale? We still should be fine in this type of. Okay, but I don't want to risk that much. Okay. Ah, so painful. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I was doing so great today, so great. I was so proud of myself. Just to screw it like this. My god. Just missed that, okay? Okay, so now we have break it. Let's see if there will be a retest of this zone. If there will be, okay, no, this was a retest. We have break it. We have, okay, oh my god, it hurts even more if I know that. It was a break, a retest, break again. Break, a retest, break again. Easy. A+ setup, and I have throw it to the sewers. Oh my god, so painful, so painful. Really painful, really painful. Let's wait for another 15-minute candle. Oh my god. Really in pain. It's like so unfortunate, or it's unnecessary to do such a bad trade if you know the rules and you just don't obey them. It's like that's the worst part. If you know the rules, you just don't obey them, you lose money. It's like, oh my god, it's so painful. Oh my god. Okay, and I think I will wait a little bit with this because, yeah. Let's wait. Still wait. We want to, because we have break it. Now I believe we will try to retest this again, and then let's see what will happen at 4, because it might go really good again, breaking the structure or breaking this resistance. Okay, let's note this, the new highest point, which we were not able to break. Oh my god, so painful, so painful. I'm in so much pain. Do I want to go on sell on this? Do I want to go so? I don't feel like. Take profit somewhere like here. But there can be, we can bounce on this level. We can bounce. So I wouldn't. This would be an extremely great trade. This. A retracement, if we will bounce from this level, retracement. 15-minute trade. See? Pushed out, push down. If we would enter somewhere like here in this level, it would be nice. Ah, that's 30 minutes, never mind. Okay, we are starting the 15-minute candle. So painful today. I really am in pain. Mentally. Oh my god. So like what? What are we going to do? I want to go with a bigger loss because I'm still using the micro loss, something like 0.07, something like that. And if I would go for a bigger loss, I would earn more money. But every time, okay, that's quite a lot of pushing down. We have bounced on this level. If we will, I don't know, quite a lot of volume in and out. But this was painful. This was painful. Where were we in 1 minute scale? We were below this. We were here. Okay. Okay, let's still wait. We are messing with the zone, and if we will start pushing up, I think let's wait for the news. Okay, we will see how the news will be. Okay, how the news will be influencing the charts. Oh my god, I was so impatient, bro. Oh my god. Okay, but it looks like we have break this. Are we going to go in like this or no? Or is it stupid to open trade like this? Because we have break it right now. What are we going to do? Okay, we have break this zone. Okay. Okay. Bro. So it looks like that. What is going on? Such a brutal push down, bro. Bro. We are still pushing down. if we will go like this. Wow. We have quite a strong support here, so wow. So the news might be really pushing down this. Okay. Okay, we are really pushing this down. So if we are starting to push the zone, okay, I'm going sell. Let's go. Bros, let's believe in this, because there's a lot of push, honestly. And I'm not gonna be greedy. Let's go like this. Bro. Getting out of here. Plus $190, okay, taking. I'm $80 away from be that even. I don't need to be that even, okay? Let's just be extremely precautious, because today, that's okay. Let's wait for a retest of this zone, and then I will go one more time in if we will going still down, because this 49, $70, 72. Okay, so I am ready. If we will go somewhere like here in 1 minute, it's negative 200. We are retesting this part again. Bro, I was definitely not expecting going down today. Definitely no. But that's okay. Okay, let's I have slain I have not I have surfed that wave, and okay, that's okay, not nah, bro. Today I'm 159, okay. Well, okay, we are retesting this, okay? We are retesting. That's okay. We have break this. Okay. What now? Are we going? There are news. What are we going to do? It's okay. We have break this. Okay. Oh, that's a brutal push. I think I will go something like this. Okay. 0.1. Let's wait. Let's wait. If we will start pushing down, I will go in. If we will start going down, if we will start pushing down below the level, and we will have confirmation, because this looks like that we have bounced. Right now we have frog leaped, and now we will start to go down. And if we will do, I'm okay to go even more in. Okay, this would be this. Oh, that would be beautiful trade. But still, we need to break this and start keeping pushing down. And if we will do that, I'm okay. We will go somewhere like here. That's okay. It's 1 to 2 trade, something like this. I would go, I think. But we are not right now pushing it down. We are not. Wow. What is US? Okay. A lot of information on the market. Okay. US 30 is breaking a line. Okay. So we can try to go in. We can be ready to go in, honestly. Somewhere like here. Because we are also breaking this trend. But the US 30 is like really going up and down. This might be no. Okay. Yeah, Nasdaq is also it's still fighting here in the zone of protection or support. I'm sorry. My head is like today. Okay. I'm really happy that I have made some money back, and today I have some small. I'm a little bit below my starting capital. Okay. Look at this, bro. Okay, we are still fighting in the zone as in the U30, and Nasdaq looks like it's pulling out, bro. But no, this will be retracement, I guess. Let's wait. If we will start breaking this, I will go in. Take profit here. Let's go. This is a retracement. We will start dropping. Let's see. And still we have 5 minutes till the news, which can change everything, but I believe the news are no good, because otherwise we would have something like indices that, or we would see that the market wants to go up. Right now we see that the market wants to go down, but still let's wait. Okay, but this bro, if I would avoid my first trade of the day, my man, that would be awesome. That would be great. But unfortunately for me, I haven't. Okay, so $150, is it what I want to risk? But wait, let's wait for the confirmation candle. But guys, maybe it will be good to really wait until the news, because we are really fighting in the zone. So maybe it's good to wait for the news, or maybe I will go in because $100. No, definitely no, bros. Fighting on this trend line, no, bro. Okay, we are starting to pushing down. Okay, there's a lot of volume in the volume, bro. Let's take the deep breath. What about the US? Yeah, okay, we are struggling also in the zone. So basically right now all I can do is wait. Oh man! Ooh, disgusting candle. Absolutely disgusting. Let the happiness flow through my veins because I didn't take the trade. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell was that? Bro. The same. This is pure manipulation. This is pure manipulation. Okay? But this might be nice to scalp it. It might be nice to scalp it. Bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't take the trades. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was so lucky on this. I was lucky. Lucky. Nothing less. Nothing more. Just lucky. Look at this. Yeah. Such a giant leap. That's brutal. Oh wow. Don't tell me that we will take the momentum up again. Wow. Okay, we should be recording. Okay. Don't touch goddamn anything. Don't touch any red watermark. Martin, do not touch anything. Unless you want to scalp something. No, don't scalp it. Don't do this. Bro. Pingong. Like, take stop loss. Take my stop loss. Right now. Immediately. Woo. Okay. I don't know what are we going to do. I really do not, because we have break all this resistances and all these stuff. Okay, support, resistance. Okay, that's what happened. This volume cost me $400, which is bad luck from my point of view. If I wouldn't take that, if I wouldn't hit that goddamn volume sweep, I would avoid it and I will be in profit today. But still, I was somehow able, or not somehow, I kind of knew what is going on and I have exit in right time. Yeah. The news are on. Let's see what will go on. 4 p.m. Jolt job opening. US 30. Bro, what is going on? Do not click any button. Martin, do not press any red buttons. In this point, I'm really scared to open any trade. I would like just to get, to get $200 or something like that. Get the hell out of that, and I would be okay if I would make $100 today in a profit. So I will definitely need to wait a little bit. What will happen? Let's wait. Let's just wait. Okay, we are pushing. Okay, we are pushing. We are pushing. We are in the zone. Take profit. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Are we going just sweep again? Or what are we doing? Or I can go really micro and like risk $80 or something like that, because this looks like that we are trying to go like up. I don't want to do trade like $200 negative because it's like in a second you can have something like this. Okay, what is 30 seconds happening? And we are no longer like respecting the zone that much. We are not. The previous high is gone. You see, and the previous zone is gone. There is a new one that is here, and it looks like it's here. Okay. Okay. Okay, it looks like we will push down. It looks like we might. So let's go in. I will go a little bit lower. Let's go. Let's try to push this down. I know this is not good. This is not a good entry. $200 right now. But let's try to. Bro, what kind of trade I did? I messed up. And leaving. Okay. Okay, I do not know what the trade I did. I wasn't in. It's $42. Okay, let's leave it like that. I messed up today. Let's wait for retracement. Let's wait. Okay, we will have a retracement. We have new zone here. We are not able to break it right now. And if I would go, it's 200 versus this. It's like if we will try to break this, we might. Bro, $30 to be dead even on my account. I mean, like, you cannot win money every day. It's okay, but I would love to make something today. Bro. Let's wait. Yeah. You see, we have something like new and new. Okay, that we need to respect this part. Okay, we have bounced from this level. This is no longer like valid. This was previous high, or yeah, this is previous high, and this is no longer any valid. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this, and now we need to wait if we will break this line, because there is a new there is a new where is it? Yeah, here. Yeah, it's like that. So we need to wait if we will be doing this or not. Yeah, you see, this was beautiful candle, but that's the problem when you are trading. Sometimes those yeah, like, you know, the boxes you drew, sometimes they just lose the reason they don't become any more valid. Okay, that might happen because, as you can see, we have new trend lines. We are jumping from this part and we are here at the point where we started pushing down. So yeah, and if we will start breaking this point, we might go like here. But that's if. That's big if. Bro, what a day. What another day to be alive, bros. This is massacre. This is massacre. I don't need this trend lines anymore. Okay, yeah. Because if we will start breaking this, we might go here and go for a value gap here, okay? Right now, the previous highs. Okay, we are starting pushing down. Let's try this. Let's give it a try. Yeah, we are breaking. We are breaking. And let's go somewhere like, okay, let's wait slightly. Let's wait. Yes. I don't like this trade because there's a lot of money in stake. This might be a potential fake breakout. And I don't like if we will bounce just like that. That's not okay. Okay, you see, that's just the bounce. Okay, so let's wait a minute or two. If we will start breaking down again. Okay, we have something like that fake. This is a fake trend line that they want you to follow that trend line. Yeah, you see, we still have this resistance zone. We still have it. It's still valid. It still is on the chart. You cannot ignore it. You see, we have took volume from here. That's why you wait for the retest. That's why you wait for re-entry into the new zone. Right now, no deal. My money. I will keep them for myself. Okay. What is US30? Same. US30 has took some volume, and we have break this, but it was fake breakout. So we are still moving in these two zones. No trade, no trade. Here, no trade. Okay. This is. I'm in pain for that one bad trade. It cost so much money. It was unnecessary. Okay. You see, we have break it. We are filling this. We will see how this will go. Nothing I can do right now. Nothing. This is honestly the problem every time when you break the new highs, you don't know where the new highs ends. Okay. So basically, maybe this will be quite. If I would go something like this and take profit in here, that might be interesting. Might. I'm not saying it is interesting. I'm saying that this is one of the possibilities that for trading. But we still are in the middle of the zones. In the middle. Okay. This also seems that it's no longer valid. It doesn't look valid anymore. Okay, we will see if here we have some sort of resistance, because this is something like previous low, but okay, this might be interesting. This entering trade like this might be interesting. Yeah, we might be, because this was a retracement, because there was a lot of volume going down, now a lot of volume going up. Might be retracement, might be reversal. The news have impact still. Remember that. That's why I didn't trade during the news of hour. This trade was a mistake. I don't know what I was doing, bros. Definitely don't know what I was doing. Okay, we might go for something like this and this. If we want to reverse, this might be it. If we want to reverse, but we will be struggling. We are struggling in this zone. We will be struggling in this zone. So nothing to do but wait. Okay. Let's have hopes and beliefs. I'm just checking camera. Sometimes they turn off, so I'm just checking it. Bro. Bing. This is something I was talking previously, that you don't want to trade in the market like this, and I have traded. Something like almost successfully traded. Almost. I'm still in the negative number. I still need $30 to be that even. We need to break this. If we will break this, I will consider to open this trade. But this, I still think we will go down. I don't know. I just still think we will go down. I just feel like that we still want to go down. We want to break this line. It's like, it's just my feeling, okay? We have break it, we didn't touch this. We are in this line moving. What is US 30? Same. We have pushed it, we might go down, but there's a lot of sweeps. Look at this, a lot of sweep. That's 200, almost $200 sweep. Do you want to do this? Why? Why would you like the volume sweep over 400? Doesn't make sense. Let's wait. If we will break this trend line, let's wait for the confirmation, and then we can go for a low, okay? But right now, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. We need to break this line. We're struggling there. And the same is here. We are struggling. We are struggling, okay? We are pushing up. No more struggling. Sometimes it's the trades you don't take. Bro, that mistake for $400. That was brutal and painful. I will be sleeping today and I will see that in my eyes and in my dreams and everything. Instead of dreaming being in Disneyland or driving a Lambo, I will be dreaming how I made a shitty volume sweep trade that cost me $400. Pain, pain, pain. Shame, shame, shame. What are we doing? We are pushing up. We have swept this. We are trying to push this up on the previous level. Okay, and there is a line that we need to break. You can see it right now after the market conditions. You can see it. Okay, this is the line you need to break to go up. You need to confirm on this level. It's previous this level. Previous lows high are gone. We have there's a new sheriff in the town. The situation has changed. Okay, we are pushing down. No one knows why, but we are pushing down. Okay, a breaking point. A stop loss. I would move somewhere like here. Take profit, still below this level. If I want to do it, it's not that I will take this trade. It's not about that. It's about if I would be considering taking such a trade, how would it look like? What is the risk to gain ratio? Risk reward ratio, okay? This was take my stop loss. Happy I didn't take the trade. Unhappy for this trade. If I would enter the here and hold it up, there would be $1,000 or maybe $1,200. I didn't take it. That's what if. Okay. Yeah. No trade, baby. I like my money, so I don't want to throw them on some fat guy at them as a market maker. Don't want to do that. Okay. If we will be pushing this way, I'm okay. If we will be pushing this way. Okay, but it's still really big swap. It's really doing a lot of swap. There's a lot. I was in control of the previous trade. Ah, this is not tradable. Same US 30, same. That's not tradable. It will be. It's like if you have a look on the 1 hour on 1 hour, it will, like here, it will take its momentum. It will start making. It will start like form the shape of the day, but you will need to be. You need to be patient in days like this. Look at it. This is yesterday, 3, 4. Look at the sweep at 5, and then it started to shape during different hours. So if you want to trade day like this, you really need to be patient. You need to be precautious. I wasn't in this one trade. I wasn't precautious in this one trade. Definitely not. I made a mistake. My emotions controlled me because I was like, okay, now, and it wasn't true. I had this itching inside. You need to crash that itching. You need to crash it. Okay. So let's see if we will break the zone. If we will break it, I will just go somewhere like here, take the profit and get out, and that's it. Okay, that's a big sweep down. But don't believe everything. Your eyes will deceive you. You must think like a Jedi, okay? Feel the force. Okay, this was giant candle of dropping. If we will be going like frog leaps in this type, I will go away from this market. I will not trade it. I will wait if we will start dropping. If we will, I will wait for the confirmation or retracement, and then I will try to enter this trade. Otherwise, no, because there's a really strong support. You see how it's bouncing. That's strong support. If we will break it, this whole hour can be bearish. Whole hour. We need to have a look on the whole hour of itself. Okay? See? Don't worry, I will not take the trade. It will be automatically. Okay, you see? You see? We have strong support here. Until we will break it, no trade, no deal, no mama. I know I'm breaking my own rule about how many trades I want to do every day, but bro, don't judge me on that. Don't judge me. Bro, I would love to go somewhere like here. This would be a brutal, beautiful trade. If this would be even better. Okay, but no, you see, we are still moving in the zone, so there is nothing to trade. I need to break the zone. Okay, I need to break the zone, confirm, and keep on movement. Otherwise, there is nothing to trade. You see? And it will like, okay, it will this will take time. Okay, there's a lot of sweeps, and during the day we will have the movement up or down. It's same, it did same here, it did same. Okay, we have drop, pushed, dropping, push. Okay, so it will be forming the day, but right now it's nonsense. We need to go like here. Look at this. Yeah, fine. Okay. We are starting to shape something here. Okay, this is a beautiful big candle. Let's see if we will break it. Let's see. It doesn't look like we want to break it. There's a really strong support. God damn it, I wanted the $30. If I would make, you know, okay, we are in the movement. If I would, I was from last Thursday negative almost $400. If I would today be that even, that would mean I was able to make $400 in 2 days, which would be great, and it would definitely, okay, that's starting to look interesting. That's starting to look interesting. Let's start to push this. Let's start this. Let's go, baby. Yes. And now I will just wait. We will keep pushing down, and if we break the support or not, doesn't look like it. Let's wait. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. If we won't push it, there is no trade. Okay. That looks solid. That looks like a solid movement. But we need a break and confirmation. We need a break and confirmation. Otherwise, no trade. Yes. Okay. We are starting to doing something. This is where I want to place my stop loss. I want you to go. Okay. A lot of resistance there. A lot of resistance. We are trying, but there is a lot of resistance. Okay. No, a lot of resistance there. Stop loss like this in seconds. Okay, so no trades. You're not gonna get my money. I'm not gonna trade in these conditions. And in the 30 seconds, look at this. We're still struggling. Nothing to trade. I'm not gonna do any stupid nonsense. Like I would have better to leave the day as it is and come back tomorrow if this is like, you know, the day. This was nice cooking. This was really nice. This was okay. Really, this was fair trading. Fair. This was totally unpredictable from my point of view, but let's say, okay, the news are the news. We are still in the zone. If we would go somewhere like here, take profit still here, that would be $500. We are trying to push it down. I'm happy that we are trying to push it down, but still we're not where I want to be. We're not there yet. If you are holding your breath like I am, good job, really good job. Okay, because that means that you haven't get into any trouble. Don't trade like me. I'm a noob. Okay? Don't trade like me. It's like preparing for the drop, and it might come in the last 5 minutes or 15 minutes of this hour. $140 to 400. I would be moving my stop loss. The more it will go down, the more I will move my stop loss somewhere like here. This would be the best part. Would be like going here. If we start dropping, we would break it. We would have retracement confirmation and start going down. In that case, okay. Let's just be ready for this. If we will start cooking, let's be there. Okay. Let's be ready for this. We might be really going in this trade. Okay. Yes. We have break it. We are confirming this. Let's wait. Retracement. Still retracement. It might be this good entry for a shortage. It might. Going somewhere like below this level. $97.70. I need to wait. I need to be patient on this fish. If we will be like jumping up and down, it doesn't make sense to be in it. Okay? If we will start dropping, we will probably go down. But there's a lot of support. It is not safe. Okay. We are. Okay. Okay. That was the trade I was waiting for. Okay. Okay. Not sure what I'm gonna do in this situation. Going micro, more or less. Okay, that's... Wow. That's a lot of movement, honestly. Maybe I'm really glad I didn't take this trade. 1-to-1. Okay, we have break it. We have break it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I know I was telling I want to open the trade like here, but I'm not sure, honestly. It's just, I'm not sure. Are you guys sure? Because I'm not sure. Are we going? Yeah. Let's try. This was big job. I'm not saying that no. Maybe I have slept that. What am I going to see on 5-minute scale? We have break the line. We can go like this. There's no reason why not. Okay. The worst part is that you would is like in a second. Okay. Good. Are we going to retest this zone or are we going to break it again? That was a lot of sweep. Okay. Bros. What the? A lot of move. We have a lot of movement here. We have a lot of movement. Not understand anything what is going on here. Not understand. I just feel like this might be really pointless to do. I would go somewhere like here, but we have break it and jump up. Breaking and jump up. We have been struggling here. We are struggling here. What if I would go for a buy? We would go like here. Stop loss here. It's $90. Do we want to push in this minute? Do we want to push in this 5 minutes? Do we? What are we going to do? Doesn't make sense. What to do? Do what to do? Che cosa? Che cosa? Bro. There's a lot of things going on the market, apparently. A lot of things that just cannot be predicted. Okay. Do we try for $100? No. Look at this. Immediate. Okay. Bros, there's a lot of manipulation on the market. A lot of manipulation. A lot. Really a lot of manipulation. Not healthy at all to trade this. I will give it 30 more minutes, then I will leave this because it's nonsense, okay? I will better go tomorrow morning again and try to earn money than be trapped in this type of market because hey, I have baked some bread today. Okay. I have. It wasn't perfect day. It definitely wasn't. I made a giant mistake, a huge mistake, okay? That I got catched in that stupid trade. It really, I'm ashamed for that. Really, I am. But I don't know what to do with this type of market, okay? We have this zone that we are not able to break. We have this zone we are not able to break. Okay, now we are breaking again. We are bouncing up and down in that zone, which that's like nonsense, you know? What do you want to do with that? What do you want to do with such a conditions? Okay, I would go with this, but if we will sweep up, so what do you want? Do you want to have this like 2-to-1, but not in the good way? It's 2-to-1, but not in the good way. And if you go like this, that's only a giant sweep that will take your money. This is just a sweep, a volume sweep, okay? It's one of the days. But we have formed a new support, a new resistance. You see, we can see we have this like trend line. So this is maybe about maybe it's about the patient. I don't know. Bro. Fair value gap has been fulfilled. What are we expecting? I would expect to go up, but on the other hand, look what have we done. Okay, this I believe this is no longer valid also. Okay, this is one, this is something. And it also looks like that we want to shape we want to go into the U shape, that we are getting volume to go up. It's how I see that, because we are low, lower, lower, and right now we are shaping in the equal. If we will be in the equal, we might get the volume going up, but that will be for upcoming 2 or 3 hours. I'm sorry if you are watching this. There are no trades, there is nothing extreme. I believe the start of the day was extremely extreme, unnecessarily extreme. Again, look at this. Let's go. Come on. Look at this. Yeah, it looks like we have bounced from this level. So we, as a human beings, we should be going something like this with 1-to-1 ratio. Doesn't make any sense. This would make sense. This is 1 to 2.5 ratio, but the market is so unpredictable today. We are bouncing from this level to going up, but this can be easy trap for buyers. So it's like, what did, okay, we have break this level. That looks interesting. And let's give it a shot. Let's see if we can go something like this. This might be interesting because we have break the level. This looks like, okay, let's go low. I will $100 to $160, and yeah, let's I think we might go like here, but it's not. Let's go. And I will definitely not risk that much. Definitely not. I will go somewhere like here. Confirm. And let's wait. Let's just wait if we will be able to go somewhere like here. I'm not going to risk $100. Closing $20. No, just no. I'm sorry, I'm jumping in and out. It's $16. I still need $14 to be break even, but no. Same here, no. Okay, let's wait for if we will start retracing. Yeah. That's what I thought. That's why I closed the trade. That's why I closed the trade, because of retracement. That's why I have closed it, because of retracement. 1 minute, another minute, and another minute, and another minute. You see? It's not that I don't know how, but sometimes I just has this feeling like, no, it's going to reverse because they want to do a nasty things to your butt without loop. Okay, and now I would go down. Now it's because we have touched this line, we have took a volume, but we might not be able to keep going up. $14 to be that even on that. Okay. Still think we shouldn't break this line. That's okay. Still think this 1 to 3 ratio would be great deal. But I need to wait. I need to wait because I don't want to get into the trap. If you really don't feel it, leave the trade. Really, guys, it's your money. I know that you want to see how the trade hits your take profit, everything like that. I know you want to see that, but it's your money. If you don't feel it, close the trade. I have closed that trade. I didn't feel it. Okay, this looks like we will take some volume, maybe like here even, and then we might start dropping. Okay, let's wait for it. I don't want to get into the trap. Let's wait. Let's be patient about this. Okay, there's nothing to do in the Nasdaq. Yeah, this is something I'm starting to feel. Okay, we haven't break this barrier. It's $50 to 200. This makes sense from my point of view. This makes sense, or starting to make sense. Okay. Yeah. Let's wait for a retracement and then let's start pushing down. No, I believe we will go up a little bit. How's the 15 minutes candle? Brutal. What is going on? Are we dropping that much? Yes, we are. We are dropping that much. Let's wait if we will start pullback or not. But this is something I'm able to risk. $60 to 250. That's okay from my point of view. I know it might look like I'm not doing big trades or anything like that, but it's the money protection. If you are not sure about the trade, don't do this, okay? I was sure for the first trade, and what did I take? A volume sweep to close for a negative 400. Okay, so let's give it a shot, I guess. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Let's hope for $14. Okay, I'm definitely not gonna raise $100. Maybe I will. Confirm. Okay, that might be a problem. It looks like we are not able to push this type of resistance. Let's see. Push it, baby. Nope. Okay. Unlucky. Oh. No, there's a resistance I didn't see. This is a resistance I didn't see. Okay? Let's wait a few more minutes if we will start pushing down now. You see? There's a type of resistance I didn't see. New type of resistance. Perhaps. So... Or... Can I get my $15? Or 50 or something? Okay, okay, now that's beautiful. That was beautiful push. We have pushed, and we need to push more further. Leaving the trade. 50k, 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 50k. I'm that even on my account. I'm happy. Bros. Yes. This week, 360, 386. Okay. This month, $11 profit. My first profit. We are retracing up. First profit of this account. I have screwed last week. I have get it back this week. I'm sorry, my brain is not braining anymore. I'm really tired today. I have a migraine. It really hurts, okay? Never mind. Yeah. Oh, we would push you down, but I'm not greedy on this. I was greedy on the beginning. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. This was day 3 of my challenge. Day 3 that I have recorded as my challenge. We are pushing down. I'm leaving for today. It's almost 5 p.m. I'm not gonna trade anymore, and hit the subscribe button because from the next week I will be recording even UK session. The reason is simple, I will be at home because I will be jobless. So hit the subscribe button, leave me a like, leave me a comment. Hope you like it. I really like it. It's really shame that I have done 2 bad trades today, but hey, I have ended up in the profit. Screw my rules. If it works, I'm happy. This was great. If I would enter the trade here, end up here, it would work even better. This breakout strategy, from my point of view, is really good. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this, and I will see you next time. Bye.